Florida issued a malaria alert in several counties after 2 more cases of the mosquito-borne disease were recently discovered. This is the first time in 20 years that there have been locally acquired cases in the United States. For the week ending on July 1st, the Florida Department of Health reported 2 more locally acquired cases of malaria in Sarasota County. There are currently 6 total cases in the state, all of which are in Sarasota County, the Miami Herald reported. The Florida Department of Health issued a mosquito-borne illness advisory for Orange, Polk, and Walton counties, plus a mosquito-borne illness alert for Manatee, Miami-Dade, and Sarasota counties. Texas recently reported a case of locally acquired malaria. The Texas Department of State Health Services said on Friday that it is still aware of only 1 case of malaria there, but they are still on the lookout for other cases, according to CNN. Health officials in Texas are monitoring the region's mosquito population for malaria. These are the first locally acquired malaria cases in the U.S. in the last 20 years, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. There are roughly 2,000 cases of malaria diagnosed in the U.S. each year, but those cases are almost always cases of Americans or immigrants returning from a country where malaria exists. Approximately 300 Americans experience severe malaria annually, and up to 10 people die in the United States from the mosquito-borne disease. CDC is collaborating with 2 U.S. state health departments with ongoing investigations of locally acquired mosquito-transmitted Plasmodium vivax malaria cases. There is no evidence to suggest the cases in the 2 states, Florida and Texas, are related, the CDC stated. The World Health Organization notes, malaria mostly spreads to people through the bites of some infected female Anopheles mosquitoes. Blood transfusion and contaminated needles may also transmit malaria. The first symptoms may be mild, similar to many febrile illnesses, and difficulty to recognize as malaria. Left untreated, P. falciparum malaria can progress to severe illness and death within 24 hours. On July 5, the World Health Organization announced that the first malaria vaccine was to be rolled out in Africa. For other related news on the malaria vaccine, subscribe and check the other videos in this channel. Our news is updated, educative and timely. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share to make this video trending.